What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We have this interesting question that says that find the value of x given that 8 to the power of x minus the square root of 2 is equal to 0. Well, our first step will be for us to move negative square root of 2 to the right hand side. And when we do that, we have 8 to the power of x to be equal to, as negative square root of 2 crosses to the right, it becomes positive square root of 2. Very good. Now our next step will be for us to write 8 in the base of 2. 8 is the same as 2 to the power of 3. And this is raised to the power of x. This is equal to the square root of 2. Very good. Now let's apply the property of indices here that says that when I have a to the power of b, which is then raised to the power of c, the property of indices says we can write down the base, which is a, and multiply the powers, which is b times c. So this expression now becomes 2 to the power of 3 times x. And this is equal to, now the square root of 2 can also be written as 2 to the power of half. Very good. Now simplifying what we have here, we have 2 to the power of 3 times x is 3x. And this is equal to 2 to the power of half. Good. Now since the base on the left and the base on the right are the same or they are equal, then we can also equate their powers. The power on the left is 3x. This is equal to the power on the right is 1 all over 2. Good. In order to get rid of this 3, I'm going to multiply both sides by 1 all over 3, which is the inverse of this 3. So multiply the left by 1 all over 3. We do the same thing on the right hand side in order to balance the scale. Very good. Now see that this 3 cancel out this 3. 1 times x is x equal to, now we can multiply this. Let's multiply the numerator and then we'll multiply the denominator. So 1 times 1 is 1 all over 2 times 3 is 6. And this is our final answer. Well, feel free to share your ideas in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and have learned something from this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos. Like I always say, until next time, take care.